Yes guys, so cooking some mackerel and dumpling. I say something simple, Jamaican style. That's what we feel for. We cannot eat anything, we can cook anything, but that's what we feel for, keeping it real. Yeah. Mackerel and dumpling. Yeah man. So here we have the flour need. Yeah man, so I'll make the dumplings now, alright? Yeah man, just stay tuned guys, and stay tuned to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, please guys continue to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, one love, respect. That is it guys. Yeah man, real Jamaican dumpling, huh? I know, pretty boy thing this. Yeah man, real chef, we cook anything guys, and this is one of Jamaican real yard dish, yeah man, tin mackerel and dumpling. America with it, in Texas I cook tin mackerel and dumpling. That is it. We can cook lobster if we want, we can cook steak if we want, we can cook fish if we want, shrimp, anything we want we can cook, but this is what we feel like today. Here, Chad. I said we can cook anything we want, and we want to eat mackerel and dumpling. Yeah, we want to eat mackerel and dumpling, and that we feel for.
We feel for.
Yeah, man.
Eat.
Real yard style,
Yeah. I'm gonna take a far shot for a forward.
Yeah, man.
Alright, and so we're talking like this one.
Yeah.
If we go so fun, come on, fit. We go so light.
Yeah. Because they connect separate.
We do want something like that.
Probably that's why he carry 4 wire in some of them.
Probably. So we can turn on the light alone if we want the fun to work.
Yeah. But you would have a single switch.
It's single switch.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah.
So we just work with that.
Right, we hear this?
Yeah, so if you come in and say you don't want fun,
Yeah.
you just click.
Yeah. If I did, and you just fun alone,
Yeah.
just click on.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yes guys, that is it, Some cornmeal dumpling. That is what's up. Yeah. Yes guys, let's do this. Yeah man, so we just got back from San Antonio. Yeah man, you can see guys, we had fish on the road, we had chicken. Yeah, and we just get home and we said, man, we've been drinking some wine and Guinness and some rum punch, and so we just said, hey, some pretty boy thing in a Sunday evening, mackerel and dumpling I do it. Cornmeal dumpling and tin mackerel. Yeah. That's the Sunday evening energy, Yeah man. No rice and peas and chicken. Yeah man. Tin mackerel and dumpling we say. Yeah man, that is it. Quick and fast, The Jamaican name for this, we call it skettle. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The tin mackerel and dumpling, guys, there's a lot of name for it, you know? Yeah, man. I also call it dirty girl. Oh, remember me tell you Jamaica, full of fun and excitement, you know? Yeah, man, so back in the days when, you know, a couple of our friends, like, we cooking this meal, it's like competition, you know, who can eat the most dumpling. They're hot too. Yeah, man. So I think I can eat about 6. Yeah, man. Depends on the mood and, you know. Yeah, man. Some guy I eat some virgin I eat all a dozen dumpling. Yeah, man. I witness see one of my friend eat like 14 dumpling. I'm gonna tell you about some cartwheel dumpling. Yeah, man. So it's just, you know, we keeping it real, guys. We keeping it real. No pretty boy thing or, you know, go on like say we better than this. You see me? Doesn't matter where we at, how far you reach in life. I stick to the roots and culture. Jamaican. I ain't gonna curse, man. No. No, do that. We are keep it real, you know. Yeah, man. But some people are going like say, you see me? Only oxtail them can post on social media, or the French fried chicken or steamed fish and, you know, fancy things. Yeah, man. We have to keep it real. Yeah, man. We sure say we are real Jamaican, isn't it? We now switch up the thing. Yeah, man. We keep the thing real. Yeah, man. So no matter where in the world we reach, guys, are we at, eh, we're not gonna pretend, isn't it? We're just gonna be with self. Yeah, man. Keep it real. That is it. That's what's up. Dumpling them in the pot. Cooking. Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna prepare. In the meantime, I'm just gonna prepare the seasoning. You know. Yeah, man. Get the mackerel going as well.
What's up? Come. Yeah, screw it, daddy. You know what I thought you Alright.
Alright, guys. See the dumpling them.
Bye bye.
Yeah, man. dumplings going. Yeah man, and see I have garden seasoning cut up ready. Yeah man, so you'll get the mackerel going, you know. Meanwhile, dumpling is there, boiling. See me I say? Yeah man, so that is it guys.
You cooking again?
Yeah. Alright guys, so everything is here already. Yes guys, as you can see, dumpling boiling. Yeah man, no doubt. And I have the oil over here getting heated. Yeah man. So stay tuned guys. Remember, Flex Jamaican cuisine. Yeah man, please remember guys to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, so tin mackerel and cornmeal dumpling. That is it. Right, so we have all the seasoning here, so apply it to the oil. Oil is hot.
Pepper now.
Alright guys, so add a little black pepper, not too much, and just a little Maggi fish seasoning, you know, not much. Alright guys, so now we're gonna add mackerel. Yeah man, so this is it guys. Yeah man, check it out, mackerel. Yeah man, so quick and fast, you know. Otherwise it's called ghetto steak. Yeah man, see the dumpling. Yeah man, and it's cornmeal dumpling, so we just gotta make it cook real good, you know. Yeah man, because once you add cornmeal to your dumpling, you have to make it cook properly, because the corn take a little bit longer, you know, than just the white flour. Yeah man, so we don't just cook no white flour, you know. You have to add something to it, whether plantain, pumpkin or green banana. Yeah man, that is it guys. That is it. I'm on Jamaican ghetto steak, aka tin mackerel, aka skettle. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. Dumpling them are going with things. Yeah, man. So that is it from Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah, man. Please remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. One love. Yeah, man. Respect. That is it. Dumpling. Yeah, man. So dumpling and mackerel is ready. So.
Great. Thanks. Okay. The DNA test results confirmed. Lazarus Jones is the great.
Where are you going?
Well, I'm going to go ahead to address y'all can come and we're going to see what you can see. So put out there. Show what you got, little lady.
Start with 4, you know? Yeah.
Did you tell the uniforms?
Why would I tell the uniforms, man? That ain't that crime scene reserve. Sign. Nigga detectives.
Yes, guys, that is it. Fully outside, you know. Mash them, I shell down them flour and mackerel right about now. Yeah, brother.
Okay. Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, man. That is it. Alright. White rum, but no white rum. Yeah, man. I have enough alcohol for the weekend, so. That is it. Bless up the meal, you know.